Identify terminal of 3 generator set. Determine the excitation or Fibble winding terminal. Testing generator set for continuous slot run and measure build-up voltage. Determine load performer. Hello everyone, I am Charumati and I will be guiding you throughout this exercise. In this exercise, we are going to learn about 3 generator set to identify their terminal, determine the excitation, Fibble winding terminal, testing generator set for continuous slot run and measure build-up voltage and determine load performance. At the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify terminal of 3 generator set, determine the excitation or Fibble winding terminal, testing generator set for continuous slot run and measure build-up voltage. Determine load performer.
Now, let us take a look at the tools and materials required to do this exercise. Tools, instruments or machinery required are Trainees Toolkit 1 set, Load Bank 1 number, 3-phase diesel generator set 1 number. Equipment required to do this exercise are Voltmeter 1 number. Before we move on to the demonstration, a generator set, also known as a genset, is a combination of an engine and a generator that produces electricity. Here's an overview of 3 common types of generator sets. Diesel generator set. A diesel generator set consists of a diesel engine and an alternator that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Diesel generator sets are commonly used for backup power in hospitals, data centers, and other critical facilities because they are reliable and have a long service life. Gas generator set. A gas generator set is similar to a diesel generator set, but it uses natural gas, propane, or other gases as fuel instead of diesel. Gas generator sets are often used for standby power in residential and commercial buildings. Solar generator set. A solar generator set consists of a solar panel, a battery bank, and an inverter that converts the DC power generated by the solar panel into AC power that can be used by appliances and devices. Solar generator sets are often used for off-grid applications or as backup power in areas with frequent power outages. Now, let us take a look at the procedure. Task 1. Identify terminal of 3 generator set. The terminals of a generator set refer to the points where the electrical power produced by the generator can be accessed and distributed to the devices that need it. The specific location of the terminals on a generator set can vary depending on the make and model, but generally, they are located on the generator's control panel or at the back of the generator set. To locate the terminals, you can refer to the generator's user manual. It is important to exercise caution and follow all safety procedures when working with the generator set. Task 2. Determine the excitation or Fibble winding terminal. To determine the excitation Fibble winding terminal of 3 gensets, you would need more specific information about the gensets and their wiring diagrams. The Fibble winding terminal is typically determined by the generator manufacturer and can vary depending on the generator's design and configuration. In general, the Fibble winding terminal is the point where the excitation current is fed into the generator's winding to create the magnetic field. This can be accomplished through various methods, such as brushless excitation or separate excitation. Task 3. Testing generator set for continuous slot run and measure build-up voltage. To test a generator set for continuous slot run and measure the build-up voltage, you can follow these steps. Prepare the generator set. Make sure the generator set is properly installed and connected to the load. Ensure that all safety precautions are taken before starting the generator set. Start the generator set, turn on the generator set, and let it run for a few minutes to warm up. Load the generator set. Apply a load to the generator set that is close to the maximum rated load. This will ensure that the generator set is operating at a high capacity. Measure the build-up voltage. Using a voltmeter, measure the voltage output of the generator set. The voltage output should increase as the generator set builds up its voltage. Monitor the generator set. Monitor the generator set during the continuous run to ensure that it is operating within safe parameters. Check for any signs of overheating, vibration, or abnormal noise. Record the results. Record the build-up voltage readings over a period of time. This will provide data on the stability and reliability of the generator set. Analyze the results. Analyze the data collected during the test to determine the generator set's performance and to identify any areas that may require maintenance or repair. By following these steps, you can effectively test a generator set for continuous slot run and measure the build-up voltage. Task 4. Determine load performance of 3 generator set. To check the load performance of 3 generator set, you will need to follow these steps. Determine the maximum load capacity of each generator set. You can find this information in the generator set specifications or manual. This will give you an idea of how much load each genset can handle. Connect the generator set in parallel. Connect the output terminals of the generator set together using appropriate cables and connectors. This will allow you to combine the output power of the generator set. Connect the load. Connect the load you want to test to the output terminals of the generator set. Make sure the load is within the capacity of the generator set. Measure the load. Use a power meter or a multimeter to measure the load on each generator set. You can also use a clamp meter to measure the current flowing through the cables. Increase the load gradually. Increase the load gradually and monitor the performance of each generator set. Keep increasing the load until you reach the maximum capacity of the generator set or until you notice any issues with the generator set. Record the results. Record the load and performance data of each generator set at different load levels. This will help you analyze the performance of the generator set under different load conditions. Analyze the results. Analyze the data you collected to determine the load performance of each generator set. You can use this information to optimize the use of the generator set and to ensure that they are working efficiently.
We have come to the end of the lesson. Thus, we have learned to identify the terminal of 3 generator set, determine the excitation of Fibble winding terminal, testing generator set for continuous slot run and measure build-up voltage, determine load performance. Hope you have a clear understanding of it. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you all. See you in the next video.